In traditional manufacturing environments, companies generally produce in large lots or batch sizes. Each company does this for different reasons, but in general, it's to avoid lengthy changeover times and to spread the costs of manufacturing over a large quantity of items. In addition to these benefits, however, large lot sizes have some disadvantages too. Large lot sizes create large amounts of inventory, which in turn ties up large amounts of cash. In addition to this, if one part in the lot is wrong, it's a given that other parts will likely be wrong too. With that in mind, large lots may have a limited number of benefits, but they also come with a massive increase in waste, cost, and resources. The just-in-time system moves production through the transformation process in a smaller lot size format. In fact, the ideal is true one-piece flow. In order for a company to produce in a one-piece flow manner, they must learn how to be more flexible with changeovers, more efficient with production, and tighter on quality. One technique that companies use to do this is the SMED approach that was first shared in the book A Revolution in Manufacturing, the SMED system. In the book, Dr. Shigeo Shingo shares the 3 stages of the SMED system that can be used to improve changeovers. They are, first, separate internal setup activities from external setup activities. Then, convert internal setup activities to external setup activities. And finally, streamline all aspects of your setup. With this in mind, we will look briefly at these 3 phases in the next few videos. Until then, consider the following question that you can answer in the comments, upcoming assignments section, or on a piece of paper. How long does the average changeover take you in your place of work, and why do you think it takes so long? We look forward to hearing back from each of you, and we'll see you in the next video.